Stay tuned if you are interested in my updated eyebrow tutorial. Hello and welcome to my channel. I go by Sweet Honey Tea and going straight into this. So first thing I do is I cleanse my eyebrows off because I'm going to be plucking and straightening up before I go ahead and put any makeup on. And here are my eyebrows. I let them grow out to this way just so I can make this video. So first things first, I'm going to be brushing them into the position where I would want them to lay. As far as how I pluck, I pretty much follow the natural shape of my eyebrows. I don't try to create shapes because then that's how I start looking crazy. So that's basically what I'm doing. I'm just cleaning up my eyebrows. Basically, to see what your natural shape is, you'll look at your eyebrows and see there are some sparse hairs just sitting out in random. I basically just pluck those off. And then whatever shape I'm left with, I consider that to be my natural eyebrow shape. And so you're going to notice a little irritation. I just have really sensitive skin. That just happens. It'll go down in a couple of hours. But yeah, in order to clean the top of my brows, I use this little razor. You can get it at any beauty supply store for $1. And any hairs that just aren't a part of my eyebrows, I shave them off. And after brushing it out, this is basically what I'm left with. And then I use that just to straighten out the very front of the eyebrows, make them look a little bit more crisp. And now that's the finished product of me cleaning my own eyebrows. Now moving on into the makeup aspect of this, I basically take a holding hairspray and I brush it on my eyebrows. It keeps my hairs in place so that they do not move. I got this from an IG video. Basically, this keeps the hairs not only in place, but it helps them stand out a little more and makes them look more natural. And now the first thing that I do is I conceal my eyebrows. A lot of the time we overfill our eyebrows, but if we just put some concealer on there, you kind of get an idea of what really needs to be added. And for a lot of people, you really just need some concealer to clean it up and your eyebrows are good to go. Then the next thing I do, I just go ahead and blend out that concealer. And here I'm just making a point that you use your eyebrow filling product very sparingly. You honestly, at this point, all I do is outline my eyebrows. And say if that day, it looks a little light in some areas, I'll brush a little bit of powder on there and that is it. And it looks so natural just by doing this. And obviously I keep brushing just to, make sure hairs are staying in place and also spread the product a little more. I add where I feel there needs to be more product and that's pretty much it. And then I repeat that same process on the other eyebrow. This is honestly my favorite eyebrow. That sounds weird, but your eyebrows are sisters. They're not twins, and I just prefer this eyebrow. It always looks better. And as you see, I'm literally just outlining the eyebrow. I'm not even filling anything in yet, and look how nice it already looks. And as for eyebrow powders, I always pick a lighter brown color because it's going to show up darker on your skin. If you just pick black, it's going to be too much for a lot of us, you know? And now that concludes this updated eyebrow tutorial. Hope you enjoy. If you like these results, go ahead, do comment down in the comment section below and like and share my video. Hope that this video did help you, and I will see you next time.